Good morning, dear students. Welcome to grade 5. We are going to start with our first class of general knowledge, and we are going to talk about wonder birds. That is, we are going to talk about some of the birds in this chapter. So, let us see what we are having ahead. So, students, what is a bird? A bird is an animal with wings, feathers, and two legs. As you know that most of the birds, they can fly using their wings. And do you know what is the study of birds known as? Yes, ornithology. Ornithology is a branch of zoology that concerns the study of birds. And what is a group of birds called? Okay, I'll tell you the answer. The group of birds is called Darwin finches. So the first bird that we are going to talk about is puffin. So you can see the size of the puffin. It's There's a photograph of an iPhone given, and a puffin is there. So you can make it out that how big this bird can be. So it is also known as bottlenose or sea parrot because of their large, brightly colored triangular beaks. On their beaks, they have a triangular pattern. The coloring is done in a triangular pattern. Okay, so they can swim by using their wings to stroke underwater. So they are good swimmers also. So here comes the pelican. These large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch fish. Most species fish in groups by forming a line or a U shape. So, when they are fishing, when they are having their food, they generally form a group, they form a line, or they generally form a U shape and they fish. So when the fish get to the shallows, they simply scoop them up. Okay. Now here comes the stork. They are long necked large birds, tall, and they live in fresh water or wetlands and swamps. Okay, and they can be identified by their long legs. They have very long legs. Okay, brightly colored featherless head. So they don't have feathers on their head, and they are having prominent bills. Now what is bills referred over here is bill refers to the beak. Okay, so now you got to know another name for beak. Clear? Now students, after knowing about the pelican and the stork, how are you going to distinguish these two? Now I'll tell you. Pelicans have the largest bill, that is the upper part of the bill, that is the upper part of the beak. It is with a hook curved downwards on the edge of the upper bill. Okay, and a pouch is attached to the lower part of the bill. Fine, so that they can easily catch the fish and they scoop it out. As I told you that they pelicans, they scoop the fish. So these the upper bill and the lower pouch, it helps them whereas the stork have the long and stout bills. Okay. So next we have a very colorful bird, that is a toucan, and this bird is found in the American tropical forest. And do you know, they have oversized and very colorful beaks that is as long as one third of their total length, and they use them to reach to the fruits on the branches. Next we have a bird named as rhea. They are large ratites bird which tend to be very silent birds. Okay. Now what is the meaning of ratites? Now ratites are a bird with a flat breastbone, especially any flightless bird. The birds which cannot fly, such as ostrich, emu, these birds are flightless birds. Okay. They prefer broad leafed plants, but they also eat fruits, seeds and roots. Okay. And when they are in danger, they always move in a zigzag pattern. Okay. When they seem that there is a danger. Okay. Next we have is albatross. They are large seabirds. They range widely in the southern oceans and in the North Pacific. They eat squid, fish and krill. And in the picture given, you can see they are having their webbed feet. Okay. Next we have the kookaburra. They grow to between 28 to 42 centimeter, and they are 300 grams. They weight in 300 grams, and they eat mice, snakes, small reptiles, insects and the young one of other birds. So which type of birds they come into? They are carnivorous. Okay. They eat all the insects, mice, everything. So they are a carnivorous birds. Okay. And in the picture you can see this is a picture of a blue kookaburra. Okay. Aha, now you with this picture you can make it out the character. I think everyone has seen this movie Rio. And do you remember the name of the character? Which character do you see here? No, that's not Blue. Blue was the male parrot. But what is the name of this female character? Her name was Jewel. Okay. So now we are going to talk about the parrot. Okay. So this parrot is known as macaw. Okay. They have long tailed and they are very colorful parrots. Okay. They eat a variety of foods including seeds, nuts, fruits and leaves. And their feathers have attracted the attention of people throughout. In the picture you can see that so colorful feathers they have, right? The normal parrots that we see are generally in green color, right? Light green color. But this parrot is having such beautiful rainbow colors, okay? Right? So students, I hope that this chapter Wonder Birds was quite interesting for you, and you got to know that what is the study of birds and what is a group of birds known as, right? Okay, I know many of you are very intelligent and very smart enough, but apart from these two, you got to know two different new words also. That is bills and ratites. Okay, so you got to know what is the meaning of bills and ratites. Okay, very good. So, in the next chapter, we are going to talk about something new. Till then, take care of yourself and stay home. Be safe. Thank you.